हेलो फ्रेंड्स, एक बार फिर स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल विजन एग्रीकल्चर पर। दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टीजीटी एग्ज़ाम 2010 एग्रीकल्चर सॉल्व पेपर की। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड सिटी इज ऑप्शन 1 कोलकाता, 2 लखनऊ, 3 न्यू दिल्ली, 4 बेंगलोर। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1 कोलकाता। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, the age of gestation of bull is about option 1 2 years, 2 1.5 years, 3 1 years, 4 3 years. Right answer is option 1 2 years. Next, question number 3, Ranikhet disease is caused by which virus? Option 1 fall herpes, 2 paramyxovirus, 3 abipox, 4 picornaviridae intero virus. Right answer is option 2 paramyxovirus. Next, question number 4, red coccidiosis disease is caused by option 1 bacteria, 2 virus, 3 fungi, 4 protozoa. Right answer is option 4 protozoa. Next, question number 5, alpine is the breed of option A goat, B sheep, C cattle, D poultry. Right answer is option A goat. Next, question number 6, father of canning is known as option A KC Mehta, B Nicholas Appert, B RC Mukherjee, D none of them. Right answer is option B N Appert या Nicholas Appert. Question number 7, what is not a duty of an agronomist? Option A to investigate the suitability inside the crop field and the end result, B to coordinate between different scientists, C to understand different factors for the yield of crops, D to research after coordinating different factors. Right answer is option B to coordinate between different scientists. It is not a duty of an agronomist. Next, question number 8, the per capita per day necessity of vegetable is option 1 185 gram, 2 285 gram, 3 350 gram, 4 300 gram. Right answer is option 4 300 gram. Next, question number 9, recommended dose of fertilizer NPK nitrogen phosphorus for sugarcane crop in North India is option 1 160 150 60 60 किलोग्राम पर हेक्टेयर, 2 150 60 40 किलोग्राम पर हेक्टेयर, 3 180 80 60 kg पर हेक्टेयर, 4 180 280 60 kg per hectare. NPK required. Right answer is option 1 150 60 kg per hectare. Next, question number 10, the grain and ester ratio of pigeon P is option 1 1 ratio 4 to 6, 2 1 ratio 6 to 8, 3 1 ratio 3 to 4, 4 1 ratio 4 to 5. Right answer is option 2 1 ratio 6 to 8. Next, question number 11, what is zero tillage? Option 1 least plowing of soil, 2 to sow the crop without spoiling the residue of earlier crop, 3 the work done till sowing the seed in the crop field, 4 to harvest maximum net profit from the crop. Right answer is option 1 least plowing of soil. Question number 12, evaluation of thermal flow in the biosphere is known as option 1 thermal energy, 2 heat budget, 3 light saturation point, 4 radiation. Right answer is option 2 heat budget. Next, question number 13. Which one of the following varieties has been selected to develop Narendra Amla 6 variety? Option 1 Chakaiya, 2 Hathijul, 3 Banarsi, 4 NA4. Right answer is option 1 Chakaiya. Next, question number 14. Which of the following pairs is not correct? Option 1 Apple, their botanical name Miles pumila, 2 Apricot, Prunus erroneosi, 3 Avocado, Persea americana, 4 Almond, Actinidia deliciosa. Right answer is option 4 Almond. Actinidia deliciosa is not a botanical name of almond. Next, question number 15. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List first vegetables, list second their altitude to growing. Option A cauliflower grown 1000 meter above mean sea level. Radish grown 1600 mean sea level meter. Lady's finger 1400 above the mean sea level. Tomato 50 meter above the mean sea level. Next, 16. What is the stem borer insect of sugar cane? Option 1 Homoptera, 2 Chiroptera infucatalis snell, 3 Tetratychus parilla, 4 Triporrhea nivella. Right answer is option 2 Chiroptera infucatalis snell. Next, question number 17. Flame photometer is used for the insemination of. Option 1 available potassium, 2 available phosphorus, 3 available nitrogen, 4 none of these. Right answer is option 1 available potassium. Next, question number 18. From which source do more than 50% of landless labor in the country earn their income? Option 1 farm labor, 2 agriculture and animal husbandry, 3 animal husbandry, 4 animal husbandry and poultry. Right answer is option 1 farm labor. Next, question number 19. Which content in highest in milk? Option 1 fat, 2 protein, 3 water, 4 total solids. Right answer is option 3 water. Next, question number 20. Nitrous oxide is used for which purpose? Option 1 to make the animal unconscious, 2 to decrease milk, 3 to decrease the quantity of fat, 4 control the quantity of bacteria. Right answer is option 1 to make the animal unconscious. Next, question number 21. Training and visit system of extension was started by. Option 1 D. Benor, 2 M. Jackson, 3 M. Anderson, 4 O. P. Dhama. Right answer is option 1 D. Benor. Next, question number 22. In Uttar Pradesh, कृषि उत्पादन मंडी अधिनियम was passed in. Option 1 1963, 2 1964, 3 1965, 4 1966. Right answer is option 2 1964. Next, question number 23. Which plants are day neutral plants? Option 1 maize, groundnut, pea, sugar beet, 2 bajra, sugarcane, linseed, wheat, 3 sunflower, tomato, cotton, soybean, 4 moth, paddy, barley, berseem. Right answer is option 3 sunflower, tomato, cotton, soybean. Next, question number 24. In which maturity stage is the crop harvested? Option 1 at physiological maturity, 2 fruit maturity, 3 crop dried, 4 seeding of fruits. Right answer is option 1 at physiological maturity. Next question number 25. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List first, crop name. List second, their parasitic host plant. Right answer is option 2. Barley. Beet grow in barley, Avena fatua. Beet grow in cotton, Abutilon indicum. Beet grow in mustard, Gynodropsis pentaphylla. And beet in tobacco, Orobanki indica. Next, question number 26. Help in pollination of lychee by honeybee is option 1 35 to 40%, 2 20 to 25%, 3 15 to 20%, 4 30 to 35%. Right answer is option 2 20 to 25%. Next, question number 27. At the time of apple fruit setting, how much minimum temperature is required? Option 1 10 degrees Celsius, 2 4.5 to 5.5 degrees Celsius, 3 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, 4 2 to 3 degrees Celsius. Right answer is option 2 4.5 to 5.5 degrees Celsius. Next, question number 28. Which hormone is used for filling the banana fruits? Option 1 gibberellic acid, 2 auxin, 3 NAA naphthalinic acid, 4 2,4-D. Right answer is option 1 gibberellic acid. Next, question number 29. Which type of breed is Haryana? Option 1 milky, 2 dual purpose, 3 draft purpose, 4 none of these. Right answer is option 2 dual purpose. Next, question number 30. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List first, variety of gram. List second, time of sowing. Arodhi, timely sowing variety of gram. Uday, late sowing variety. Pusa 267, variety of Kabuli gram. K5, green color grain of gram. Right answer is option 3. A third, B first, C second, D fourth. Next, question number 31. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the code given below. List first, variety of potato, and list second, sowing variety या character of variety. Kufri Chandramukhi, early species. Kufri Satluj, mediocre species. Chipsona 2, exporting species. Kufri Deva, late species. Right answer is option 3. A third, B first, C second, D fourth. Next, question number 32. When sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide come in contact with rain water, then what is it called? Option 1 alkali rain, 2 fossil rain, 3 alkali and acid rain, 4 acid rain. Right answer is option 4 acid rain. Next, question number 33. The water flow of irrigation canal is measured by option 1 tensiometer, 2 neutroprometer, 3 V notch, 4 volumetric. Right answer is option 3 V notch. Next, question number 34. Endosmosis means option 1 accumulation of rainwater to entry of liquid from one medium to another, 3 entry of water into plants, 4 spoiling of water from the field. Right answer is option 3 entry of water into plants. Next, question number 35. In how many weeks does the fibrous crop of sunhemp get ready? Option 1, 12 to 15 weeks. 2, 15 to 17 weeks. 3, 10 to 12 weeks. 4, 8 to 10 weeks. Right answer is option third, 10 to 12 weeks. Next, question number 36. How much percentage area of plantation crop exists in total cropped area in India? Option 1, 3.5%. 2, 2%. 3, 4%. 4, 2.5%. Right answer is option 2, 2%. Next, question number 37. Out of the following fruits, the highest production of which fruit is in India? Option 1, mango. 2, banana. 3, coconut. 4, papaya. Right answer is option 2, banana. Next, question number 38. By which another name is the variety Lucknow 49 known? Option 1, Sardar. 2, Chittidar. 3, Hapsi. 4, none of these. Right answer is option 1, Sardar Guava. Next, question number 39. Farm management aims. Option 1, to maximize grass income. 2, to minimize total cost. 3, to optimize factor utilization. 4, to specify factors of production. Right answer is option 3, to optimize factor utilization. Next, question number 40. Kurukshetra is published by which ministry? Option 1, Agriculture. 2, Community and Cooperation. 3, Human Resource. 4, Agriculture and Cooperation. Right answer is option 4, Agriculture and Cooperation. Next, question number 41. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. List first, form of precipitation, and list second, their pattern. Fog, a cloud pattern. Frost, temperature less than 0 degree Celsius. Dew, collected drops of water at bottom clouds by cooling the water vapor. Right answer is option 3, A first, B second, C third, D fourth. Next, question number 42. What happens with heart wave? Option 1, crop seed germination. 2, pollination. 3, photosynthesis in plants. 4, plant roots growth and activities. Right answer is option 1, crop seed germination. Next, question number 43. The activities of photosynthesis chain is called. Option 1, photon. 2, carbon pathway. 3, devolution. 4, fluorescence. Right answer is option 2, carbon pathway. Next, question number 44. What is the correct sequence of C3 plants? Option 1, sugarcane, paddy, bajra, maize. 2, groundnut, potato, wheat, soybean. 3, potato, paddy, bajra, wheat. 4, paddy, sugarcane, soybean, bajra. Right answer is option 2, groundnut, potato, wheat and soybean. Next, question number 45. Turned germination of seeds is observed in the plants. Option 1, due to hypocotyle. 2, due to hypogeal. 3, due to root growth. 4, due to soil and light. Right answer is option 2, due to hypogeal. Next, question number 46. Which group of microbes increase phosphate solubility? Option 1, Rhizobium. 2, Clostridium. 3, Azotobacter. 4, Pseudomonas. Right answer is option 4, Pseudomonas. Next, question number 47. Seed rate of sugarcane is option 1, 60 quintal per hectare. 2, 80 quintal per hectare. 3, 100 quintal per hectare. 4, 120 quintal per hectare. Right answer is option 200 क्विंटल per hectare. Next, question number 48. CRI stage in wheat comes at option 1 10 to 15 days after sowing, 2 20 to 25 days after sowing, 3 35 to 40 days after sowing, 4 45 to 50 days after sowing. Right answer is option 2 20 to 25 days after sowing. Next, question number 49. Which of the following is a oilseed crop? Option 1 groundnut, 2 potato, 3 tobacco, 4 gram. Right answer is option 1 groundnut. Next, question number 50. Which of the following is commonly used for green manuring? Option 1 bajra, 2 barley, 3 dhaicha, 4 pigeon pea. Right answer is option 3 dhaicha. Next, question number 51. Which crop is grown in Uttara cultivation? Option 1 soybean, 2 lentil, 3 pea, 4 mustard. Right answer is option 2 lentil. Next, question number 52. Total cattle population of India is option 1 195 million, 2 197 million, 3 201 million, 4 215 million. Right answer is option 3 201 million. Next, question number 53. India's position in cattle population of the world is option 1 first, 2 second, 3 third, 4 fourth. Right answer is option 1 first. Next, question number 54. In 1999, 2000 goat population in India was option 1 110 million, 2 115.3 million, 3 133.6 million, 437 million. Right answer is option 2 115.3 million. Next, question number 55. Which of the following animals is not a ruminant? Option 1 cow, 2 goat, 3 pig, 4 sheep. Right answer is option 3 pig. Next, question number 56. DDT is a option 1 contact poison, 2 stomach poison, 3 fumigant poison, 4 all of these. Right answer is option 4 all of these. Next, question number 57. Rogor is known as option 1 metacystox, 2 dimethoate, 3 phosgene, 4 none of these. Right answer is option 2 dimethoate. Next, question number 58. Dimethoate is very effective against option 1 thrips, 2 fruit fly, 3 aphid, 4 all of these. Right answer is option 4 all of these. Next, question number 59. Which does not belongs to cold crop from the following? Option 1 cauliflower, 2 nolkhol, 3 bhindi, 4 cabbage. Right answer is option 3 bhindi. Next, question number 60. How much seed of cauliflower is required for sowing in 1 hectare area? Option 1 500 to 650 gram, 2 800 to 1000 gram, 3 950 to 1050 gram, 4 1000 to 1500 gram. Right answer is option 1 500 to 650 gram. Next, question number 61. Fruits are the source of mainly option 1 minerals, 2 vitamins, 3 carbohydrates, 4 all of these. Right answer is option 4 all of these. Next, question number 62. Vitamin B2 is available in option papaya, 2 banana, 3 lychee, 4 all of these. Right answer is option 1 papaya. Next, question number 63. Frost is harmful to option 1 mango, 2 lychee, 3 papaya, 4 all of these. Right answer is option 4, all of these. Next, question number 64. Most suitable planting time of evergreen plants is option 1 winter season, 2 spring season, 3 rainy season, 4 summer season. Right answer is option 2 spring season. Next, question number 65. Total honey production in India is option 1 6.2 thousand tons, 2 9.7 thousand ton, 3 10.2 thousand ton, 4 none of these. Right answer is option 2 9.7 thousand ton. Next, question number 66. What is BAM? Option 1 virus, 2 bacteria, 3 algae, 4 fungi. Right answer is option 4 fungi. Next, question number 67. The word monsoon is taken from the language. Option 1 Latin, 2 Arabic, 3 Persian, 4 Greek. Right answer is option 2 Arabic. Next, question number 68. Cast iron contains carbon percentage. Option 1 6, 2 2, 3 4, 4 2.5. Right answer is option 4 2.5. Next, question number 69. BHP of engine indicates option 1 power in cylinder, 2 power is flywheel, 3 frictional power, 4 power at power takeoff shaft pulley. Right answer is option 4 power at PTO pulley. Next, question number 70. The seed rate of tomato is option 1 200 to 250 gram, 2 300 to 350 gram, 3 400 to 500 gram, 4 500 to 600 gram. Right answer is option 3 400 to 500 gram. Next, question number 71. When two breeds are crossed alternatively, it is known as option 1 back crossing, 2 triple crossing, 3 criss crossing, 4 double crossing. Right answer is option 3 criss crossing. Question number 72. To determine organic matter of the soil, the content of organic carbon is multiplied by the factor. Option 1 1.5 to 4, 2 1.724, 3 1.800, 4 1.874. Right answer is option 2 1.724. Next, question number 73. Sodium absorption ratio can be calculated by. Sodium absorption ratio is short name SAR. SAR. Option 1 sodium upon under root calcium plus magnesium upon 2. Option 2 sodium upon under root calcium plus magnesium. 3 sodium upon under root calcium plus magnesium upon 2. 4 calcium plus magnesium oblique under root sodium. Right answer is option 1. Next, question number 74. Cheldahl's method is used to determine option total phosphorus in the soil, 2 total potassium in the soil, 3 total nitrogen in the soil, 4 total organic carbon in the soil. Right answer is option 3 total nitrogen in the soil. Next, question number 75. To convert the phosphorus into P2O5 into phosphorus by which factor in P2O5 is multiplied? Option 2.29, 2 1.20, 3.44, 4.83. Right answer is option 0.83. Next, question number 76. Adisali sugarcane crop is planted in the month of option 1 October November, 2 July August, 3 February March, 4 June July. Sorry, June July. Right answer is July August. Next question number 77. Norin 10 is a dwarf gene of option 1 paddy, 2 jowar, 3 wheat, 4 cotton. Right answer is option 3 wheat. Next question number 78. Which one of the following is a cost factor? Option 1 multi-crop program, 2 the methods of sowing seeds, 3 the time of applying fertilizer after weeding, 4 the quantity of weeding and fertilizer. Right answer is option 4 quantity of weeding and fertilizer. Next question number 79. What is recession farming? Option 1 to obtain partial yield in abnormal conditions, 2 to grow crop after the outlet of floodwater, 3 to harvest fast growing crops to obtain energy, 4 after cropping to keep the grazing land for 2 years. Right answer is option 2 grow crop after the outlet of flood water. Next question number 80. Which is the best 3 year crop cycle for Bundelkhand? Option 1 ज्वार अरहर फेलो wheat oilseed linseed, 2 maize potato भिंडी टोमेटो maize wheat, 3 maize बरसीम ज्वार बरसीम पैडी ग्राम, 4 ज्वार अरहर फैलो wheat ज्वार बरसीम. Right answer is option 1 ज्वार अरहर फर्स्ट ईयर, फैलो wheat सेकेंड ईयर, oilseed linseed third year. Next question number 81. What type of soil has 0.2 calorie per gram heat? Option 1 wet soil, 2 alkaline soil, 3 dry soil, 4 some dry and some moisture containing soil. Right answer is option 3 dry soil. Next question number 82. The word extension was used first time in option 1 USSR, 2 USA, 3 UK, 4 Australia. Right answer is option 2 USA. Next question number 83. When was the first revolution of animal husbandry started? Option 1 the decade of 1980, 2 the decade of 1960, 3 the decade of 1970, 4 the decade of 1990. Right answer is option 3 the decade of 1970. Next question number 84. At what temperature semen is stored? Option 1 5 to minus 69 degree Celsius, 2 10 degree to minus 59 degree Celsius, 3 5 to minus 59 degree Celsius, 4 10 to minus 69 degree Celsius. Right answer is option 1 5 to minus 69 degree Celsius. Next question number 85. What is the average temperature of cow and buffalo? Option 1 98.4 degree Fahrenheit, 200 degree Fahrenheit, 301 degree Fahrenheit, 403 degree Fahrenheit. Right answer is option 301 degree Fahrenheit. Next question number 86. Which weed is not perennial? Option 1 Imperiata cylindrica, 2 nutgrass, 3 dayflower, 4 cockscomb. Right answer is option 4 cockscomb. Next question number 87. How many atoms of ozone from ozone layer can be replaced by a chlorine atom? Option 1 2 lakhs, 2 1 lakhs, 3 1.5 lakhs, 4 2.5 lakhs. Right answer is option 2 1 lakhs. Next question number 88. Which is not a source of plant disease? Option 1 seed-borne, 2 by water, 3 soil-borne, 4 airborne. Right answer is option 2, by water. Next, question number 89. Soldier insects harms which crop more? Option 1 urad, 2 arhar, 3 moong, 4 paddy. Right answer is option 4, paddy. Next, question number 90. Which type of wheat variety is obtained by Indian scientist from American scientist? Option 1 medium growth variety, 2 dwarf variety, 3 tall variety, 4 disease free variety. Right answer is option 2 dwarf variety. Question number 91. Which crop is damaged by sugarcane downy mildew disease? Option 1 potato, 2 wheat, 3 tobacco, 4 maize. Right answer is option 3 tobacco. Next, question number 92. Which is not true in case of moong? Option 1 beginner radiata, 2 origin place India and Middle Asia, 3 samrat, 4 carbohydrate 20%. Right answer is option 4 carbohydrate 20%. It is not true in case of moong. Question number 93. Which of the following is not matched with soybean? Option 1 oil 20 to 22%, 2 protein 40 to 42%, 3 origin China, 4 Shilajit 34 quintal per hectare. Right answer is option 4 Shilajit varieties give production 34 quintal per hectare. This is not correct. Next, question number 94. Which is not true for seed treatment of cotton? Option 1 concentration H2SO4 minus 77 cubic centimeter to 6 to 12 minutes. 2 concentration hydrochloric acid 100 cc for 15 minutes. 3 concentration sulfuric acid 120 to 20 for 6 to 12 minutes. 4 concentrated hydrochloric acid 150 cubic centimeter for 10 minutes. Right answer is option 1 concentration sulfuric acid 77 cubic centimeter for 6 to 12 minutes. Next, question number 95. How many chromosomes are there in sugarcane? Option 1 2n minus 80, 2 2n to 82, 3 2n to 124, 4 none of these. Right answer is option 1 2n to 80. Next, question number 96. Krisak Bharati magazine is published from option 1 Govind Vallabh Pant Agriculture and Technical University Pantnagar, 2 Narendra Dev Agriculture and Technical University Faizabad, 3 Chandrasekhar Azad Agriculture and Technology University Kanpur, 4 Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Agriculture and Technology University Meerut. Right answer is option 1. Next, question number 97. Which is not true in case of vegetables? Option 1 58.7 lakh hectare and yield 0.875 lakh ton. 2 average yield 15 quintal per hectare. 3 approximately 40 vegetables are yielded. 4 India is the largest producing country of vegetables. Right answer is option 4 India is largest producing country of vegetables. Next, question number 98. Which ion is formed after dissolving any material in the water? Option 1 hydroxide, 2 hydrogen, 3 calcium, 4 calcium sulfate. Right answer is option 2 hydrogen. Next, question number 99. Soil requirement for groundnut cultivation is option 1 sandy loam, 2 clay loam, 3 silty loam, 4 silty clay loam. Right answer is option 1 sandy loam. Next, question number 100. Concentrated organic manures relate with which of the following? Option 1 fossils are high in quantity, 2. Less quantity of it should be applied. 3. It contains high quantity of nutrients. 4. None of these. Right answer is option 1. Fossils are high in quantity. Next, question number 101. Match list first with list second and select the correct answer using the code given below. List first and list second. Protein building of muscles, carbohydrate controlling body temperature, indigestible fiber, contraction and evolution, fat, bodily function of animals. Right answer is option 3. A. Third, building of muscles. B. Fourth, controlling body temperature. C. इंडाइजेस्टिबल फाइबर जो है कॉन्ट्रैक्शन एंड इवोल्यूशन, फैट, बॉडी फंक्शन ऑफ एनिमल्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 102. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज नॉट ट्रू? ऑप्शन 1. इन द रीजन ऑफ रेन ऑफ 13.24 centimeters thorny plants grow. 2. In the region of rain of 13.25 to 35.1 centimeter of rain, grass plants grow. 3. In the region of rain of 35.2 to 61 centimeter, bushy plants grow. 4. In heavy rainfall region, semi-sphere forest grow. Right answer is option 2. In the region rain of 13.25 to 35.1 centimeter of rain, grass plains grow. Next question number 103. What is biotic damage? Option 1. Soiling the seeds by sowing in much depth. 2. Having too many seeds of weeds in the seeds. 3. Damaging the seeds by different types of organisms like pests, insect, organism, etc. 4. After stagnation, spoiling the seeds. Right answer is option 3. Damaging the seeds of seed by different types of organisms like pest, insect, organism. That is called biotic damage. Next, question number 104. Which of the following statements is not true? First, testing of soil fertility is done by chemical methods. 2. Testing of soil productivity is made by chemical methods. 3. The fertile soil need not to be productive. 4. Productive soil need to be fertile. Right answer is option 2. Testing of soil productivity is made by chemical methods. It is not true. Next, question number 105. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Option: barometer, moisture measurement. 2. Wind direction index for wind direction. 3. Air velocity vane for air expansion speed. 4. Thermograph for temperature measure. Right answer is option 1. Barometer, moisture. Next, question number 106. To make the grains of the crop healthy, what is the percentage of contribution of the collected carbohydrates in the stems of plants? Option 1. 20 to 25%. 2. 10 to 20%. 3. 5 to 10%. 4. 8 to 10%. Right answer is option 1. 20 to 25%. Next question number 107. Water requirement of maize is: option 1. 15.6 hectare centimeter. 2. 20.4 hectare centimeter. 3. 25.6 hectare centimeter. 4. 12.3 hectare centimeter. Right answer is option 1. 15.6 hectare centimeter. Next, question number 108. Jal Nidhi cultivar of paddy requires: option 1. Water logging condition. 2. Upland condition. 3. Dry land condition. 4. None of these. Right answer is option 1. Water logging condition. Next, question number 109. Hill and Storen is the most critical stage of irrigation of? Option 1 wheat, 2 potato, 3 mustard, 4 sugarcane. Right answer is option 2 potato. Next, question number 110. Single superphosphate is the source of mainly option 1 sulfur, 2 phosphate, 3 calcium, 4 all of these. Right answer is option 4 all of these. Next, question number 111. Puddling in rice crop is done for option 1 reduce water loss, 2 beat control, 3 both 1 and 2, 4 none of these. Right answer is option 3 both. Next, question number 112. Which is the common disease of potato? Option 1 alternaria blight, 2 white rust, 3 lead blight, 4 downy mildew. Right answer is option 3 lead blight. Next, question number 113. Khaira disease in rice is caused due to option 1 seed borne disease, 2 soil borne disease, 3 nutrient deficiency, 4 none of these. Right answer is option 3 nutrient deficiency. Next, question number 114. Application of muriate of potash is not suitable for option 1 wheat, 2 paddy, 3 gram, 4 groundnut. Right answer is option 3 gram. Next, question number 115. The crop in which maximum pesticides are used is option 1 tomato, 2 potato, 3 vegetable pea, 4 cabbage. Right answer is option 1 tomato. Next, question number 116. The average productivity of Indian cow is option 1 817 kg per lactation milk, 2 1987 kg per lactation milk, 3 1217 kg per lactation milk, 4 1527 kg per lactation milk. Right answer is option 4 1527 kg per lactation milk. Next, question number 117. Which of the following is a major mineral required for animals' growth and development? Option 1 salt, 2 phosphorus, 3 calcium, 4 all of these. Right answer is option 4 all of these. Next, question number 118. Which of the following vitamins is manufactured in the digestive tract of all animals? Option 1 vitamin A, 2 vitamin B, C vitamin C, 4 vitamin K. Right answer is option 2 vitamin B. Next, question number 119. Which of the following is a source of animal protein? Option 1 blood meal, 2 tankage and meat scraps, 3 fish meal, 4 all of these. Right answer is option 4 all of these. Next, question number 120. The cattle matures in general at the age of about option 1 2 years, 2 3 years, 3 4 years, 4 5 years. Right answer is option 1 2 years. Next, question number 121. Hoop tail is caused by deficiency of option 1 zinc, 2 phosphorus, 3 molybdenum, 4 boron. Right answer is option 3 molybdenum. Next, question number 122. Cabbage is a main source of option 1 vitamin C, 2 vitamin B, 3 vitamin D, 4 all of these. Right answer is option 1 vitamin C. Next, question number 123. Fertilizer requirement of cabbage is option 1 60 kg nitrogen plus 60 phosphorus plus 40 kg potash, 2 160 plus 40 NPK per hectare, 3 120 nitrogen plus 60 phosphorus plus 40 potash kg per hectare, 450 nitrogen plus 80 phosphorus plus 60 potash kg per hectare. Right answer is option 1. 60 kg nitrogen, 60 kg phosphorus plus 40 kg potash required for per hectare. Question number 24, 124. What is the average yield of early cabbage? Option 1, 250 to 300 quintal per hectare. 2, 300 to 350 quintal per hectare. 3, 350 to 400 quintal per hectare. 4, 400 to 450 quintal per hectare. Right answer is option 2, 300 to 350 quintal per hectare early cabbage yield. Next question number 125. Which is the main insect of onion crop? Option 1, thrips. 2, maggot. 3, hairy caterpillar. 4, white grub. Right answer is option 1, thrips is the major insect of onion crop. Thank you friends for watching.